We are at the BHSU Underground campus. It's at the 4850 level of Sanford Underground Research Facility. It's important to do research underground, especially a mile underground, because there's radiation that comes from the solar system, particularly our sun, just in the environment that the rock shields from. And we come underground and it's a little bit quieter in the radiation world. We are a counting facility. We take materials from the rare event physics research that's going on, and the materials that they're using to construct the experiments, we'll take samples of them and count them to determine the radiation or radioactivity that's within each of the materials. I built a detector. I put liquid nitrogen tubing and gas nitrogen tubing to the detector actually behind me, and then we Mylar wrapped it. That was kind of like the finishing touch. My work here definitely solidified my goals in physics. And it'll also help me in grad school because I've gotten the exposure and experience and interactions with professors and PhD students from universities all around the world. And I really enjoyed it, and I definitely am stuck with physics.